Hi, it's Jez from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm working in my Edith Holden authored book. I've literally just finished videoing an episode for this series, and I decided that I would just carry on because I'm in a flow. And yeah, so I've got this page. I've written on it, flip up journal page, or I don't know what that, I don't know what I've written, but what I wanted to do is it's got a picture on both sides and I want to be able to see both pages. So I thought I'll do a flip up, and then I thought, oh, maybe a little scrappy pad or something under there with a bit of journaling, or just a single page. Anyway, I'm not fully decided. So I'm gonna trim it down. So I'm going to take a bit off the bottom, because a bit off the top, a bit off the bottom, because and a bit off the side, so that it fits a bit better. So that's that. There, I think that's maybe I need a little bit more off, just a little bit more off. So let's come in here. There we are. Take that off. Yeah, I think that's better. Don't want it to sort of stop you being able to open the page. So we've got that, and we've got that beautiful picture there. So I'm going to score it down here, so I know where I can go. Perfect, that'll do. So let's do that. So that can go like that, and then we can pull that up like that. We can still see that. I know it's upside down, but it doesn't matter, I don't think. And then we'll have something under there for journaling on. And I could have a tuck as well. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. I'm going to round these corners. So I was going to practice this, because I think there's a couple of pages that I want to do this on, and then bring you a video showing you a finished product, and then what I'm going to do. But I decided to just jump on and do it. So let's give this a nice ink all the way around. Yep, liking that. So I wonder if I've got a page from this book. What month are we in? Sort of November-y. So let's go down here to November. A few birds there. September, July, November. Got that with a few berries on. Holly, no, I don't want the December. We're November or October. So it's this one or this one, I think. Yeah, we'll leave that one doubled over because I might use that in a journal page. So do we want that? Or that? We've got the berries. I quite like the berries. Yeah, we might do that. right there. So we're going to go across there. So that'd be nice, so that I have actually kept that intact. Should I decal it? Why not, Jess? Why not? So this, this is already changed from my thoughts, which is fine. So we'll go across there. Keep that for another one. So decal a bit at the bottom. And the sides. How's that looking? Yep. So we've got a bit of journaling space. This book is a lot newer than this is done, so it looks old. It's like a facsimile of the original diary, so you know it looks got all that old faded look about it. And this isn't, this is a modern book that was made using the illustrations, so I need to make it look older. So we'll come in, age it up a bit. How's that looking now? Yeah, that's much better, much better. So I think I'm just going to stick that down. There we go. So this has got to get stuck down on here. And we're going over the whole lot, Jess. And I'm going to make it an up tuck, I think. So I'm going to glue just on 3 sides. And then we'll just stick that down in place. Nice little up tuck for something. Love it. Could put a tab on there. Do I have a tab cut out? No. No, you don't, just. Well, let me put the doodah on that. So, little tab. Look for a little scrappy do that I can make a tab out of. Just found what I was probably going to use the pocket for in the last video. Just looking to see if there's, so I was keeping these because they've got words on that I can use to make a tab out of a label. I haven't left myself much room to have a tab, if I'm honest. I know what I'm going to do. So I do want something on there. Might put a nice label on there. Got an idea? Just come to me. Right, I'm going to take this nice label here. I might stick a name over it in the lovely Edith writing. Stick that down. Now I have a signature. I could just do a little bit so it's so it looks like somebody's writing on there. So I might just do the end bit. There, a little bit of a scribble. Stick this on. There we go. And then I'm going to put a bit of this behind. Yep. I want a bit of, where's my stamps? We've got, I want to do a circle one. There, I have that one. I'm going to stamp that. In red. There. That's what I wanted to do. I'm going to give that a clean because it's red. Red stains. But it don't matter. Still works. Still works even if it's stained. And a lot of them are stained with red. There we are. Yep. Liking how that looks. Down there. So need some of this to stick this down. Now you're probably sitting there thinking, that's not a tab, Jess. No, I know. This was my idea. Is I'm going to put a little eyelet in it. Eyelets, Jess. They were on my desk. I know because I saw them. Oh, that's two, Jess. I don't want two. I just want the one. Give it a squeeze. There we go. And then I'm going to tie something around it so I can like pick it up. Right, do I want twine or ribbon? Don't know, Jess. Let me find me twine. Have it wrapped around a cork. So yeah. knot this together. And let's stick that loop through. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. There we are. That was my little thought of doing that. So how's that for a nice simple idea that enables you to use a full page, and if there's a picture on the other side you can still see it. Got a nice little journaling spot, got an up tuck there to stuff something in. Love it. Hope you like that. Hope that's given you some ideas that you can incorporate in other journals. And yeah, I'll be back with you very soon with another instalment in my Edith Holden altered book. Bye for now.